To group elements together in Canva, if you look at this design, you will see that there are multiple items on my design page. And if I just click on any of the part of my design and go over to position and come over to layers, you will see everything that is laid out in my design. So there are different things that are happening in my design. If I want to group elements or items, if I want to group everything, I can just put my mouse here and highlight everything on the page. You can see that we have everything selected, and now we'll have the option to group. If we click on group, it groups everything, and if we move it, it will move as one element together. So I'm going to undo this to position it correctly, and let me ungroup and show you another way to group elements. Say I want to group certain elements alone in this design. Say I want to group this, and probably this. Those are the ones I want to group. I would select the first element, hold down shift, select the second element while still holding down shift, and select all the elements I want to group. So if I move this now, you see that they are moving as one. And if I click on group, it has grouped them, and you can see that they are moving together, of which in this same way they are. I can also click on one of the images in the grouped elements and still move it around inside the group. If I still click on the general body of the group's image, I can still move that around.